How's everyone doing? First of all, I'd like to thank Abby Zocher for having me here because she's amazing, even though she's asked me to play the most ridiculous song I could possibly write. I'd like to introduce my band. Behind me I have Sam Ward, who is... he's awesome. And Peter Iannitto on bass. Pete's one of my best friends, and he's actually the star of the show tonight because, well, I have to kind of required to tell you a story here, but I'll try to make it quick. Me and Pete became friends in like 2008, and I was a third semester student. He was a first semester student, and we went back to my house up 30 minutes north of here, and my mom had made some Crackles, and we were just hanging out, and Crackles are these delicious little brownie cookies, and he had had them about 2 weeks prior to that, and he loved them, obviously, right, Pete? They were good, he says. However, this time she actually crunched up some walnuts and put them in the batter, and we did not know that Pete had a nut allergy. Pete went right home. I didn't know anything was wrong, but I got a phone call from his mother. Hi, Mrs. Iannitto, wherever you are. I got a phone call from his mom saying that he was throwing up on the floor and the ambulances were coming to take him. And so it was very serious, and I didn't get to talk to him for the next few days because he was in the hospital and I had no idea what happened. When he came out of the hospital, he told me that he was in the ICU for a few days, and he had the worst allergic reaction that Beverly Hospital had ever seen where the person lived. So it was very serious, and we were all very, very worried about him at the time. But when I found out he was okay, the next day was finals week, and I was taking the guitar styles class of Joni Mitchell with Abby, and the only thing I could think of to write about was Pete. So I wrote this terrible song, and I thought I'd never have to play it again. It's called Killer Crackles. Hey man, get a load of these. My mom made some more of her delicious cookies. She sure does kick some ass. She's the best mom in the world. 'Cause she made the killer crackles get in my belly. The killer crackles make me so happy. So my friend, won't you dive on in? You've had them before, so you can have them again. They taste so heavenly. I wish I was speaking metaphorically. Won't you have some killer crackles, a feeling you can't ignore? The killer crackles on the bathroom floor. The killer crackles, someone call 911. The killer crackles are not that much fun. Lights come flashing, get out of the way. They are coming to save the day. A few days later and you're feeling alright. You're out of ICU, but I'm afraid you might come and kick my sorry ass. Well, that's that's okay, 'cause I suck pretty bad. Just don't eat the killer crackles, dude, I'm so sorry. The killer crackles are pretty sketchy. The killer crackles almost killed my buddy Pete. But the killer crackles are still so yummy. Give it up for Peter Iannitto.